Welcome to Will Repaints. I am subscribed today. Me and my brother, I don't think you knew I had a brother, but we're watching this Cozy Coupe police car. Yeah, because me and my brother fight over this one. Now we have two. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we're gonna clean it. Yeah.
Who gave Ben this car? Do you remember? Uncle Gabriel?
Yeah.
So go ahead, what else? What are we gonna use?
This.
A bucket, water,
Yeah, and
soap,
soap.
and some sponges?
Yeah. Oh,
And this Cozy Coupe car is 20 years old because it used to belong to Mommy's cousin, your Uncle Gabriel.
Yeah. Oh,
And-
no, I don't have
And
any
your great aunt, Titi Abby, saved it all these years for you boys.
Yep.
So now we're gonna make it nice and shiny and new again, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready?
Go ahead,
So,
clean it up. Put some water. Ben's got a scrub brush. Do you want Daddy to hose it down?
then, can I do some brushing?
Here, well, there's a sponge here. You can use the sponge and you can dip it in the water
Dip it in.
and scrub it.
I accidentally have some cracks in it.
It's okay. Splash it with water and scrub. Good.
This thing is indestructible. The horn still works.
Yeah, it's 20 years old.
And you said last night it's indestructible.
Well, look, it's been outside for a number of years, and look, it still looks good. It just needs a good cleaning.
Can I do the brushing?
You guys want to switch brushes?
Yeah, sure.
And you can take that one.
And I need to dip some.
Go ahead, you get some more water.
Can you,
Go ahead. How's it going, Ben?
do you have any soap?
Looks good. I see bubbles. Keep scrubbing, Ben. Keep scrubbing.
Ah, is that a soap bomb? Yeah. Hey, what are you doing?
We'll need some soap too. You make the bubbles and we'll scrubs it.
Are these dirty bubbles? Each has the same as you.
Oh, good. Now you made 2 sponges?
Yeah, I made 2 sponges
Good.
for everyone.
Scrub good. So, great Uncle Tito, he did with the air compressor, he got all the debris out, and now you guys are polishing it up.
Yeah, we are cleaning it.
Yeah, you're doing the detail car wash.
Clean, because hey, Ben, can I have this?
Yeah, he made 2 brush scrubs for you guys to each have one.
And I got 2. Now we got the
Oh, now you made more. Good.
rubbing.
All right, let's give a status update. How's it going, guys?
Good.
Good. Are we ready to rinse off so we can see where else we need to focus our attention?
Yeah.
All right, Daddy's gonna spray it with the hose. Step back for a sec.
Yeah. Hey, I want to play with the hose. Hey,
You can spray. Woo! Woo! Okay.
I want to do it.
Okay, you're gonna do it.
I created particles in the air. Ah.
So I think the outside's looking pretty good, don't you guys think? We just have to focus on the inside seat, right? Good job.
Washing the car. Ah, you got soap in my hair. Hey!
It's okay. You're gonna take a bath after anyway. Keep scrubbing. How about the inside? The inside. Scrub the inside.
You always love soap. Soap? Ew, yucky. I can do it inside. I didn't see anything. Let me get some natural water.
Try to do the underside. The inside, the roof. There you go. Perfect. Ben, I think you have a good amount of water in the back. You just got to keep scrubbing.
Washing my blue car from my mom and daddy. And my brother William.
Nice song, Ben. Oh, more water. Okay.
Like that.
Watch out, Will. Oh, they think Daddy turned the water off? Good thinking.
Who did this?
Oh. Okay, let's keep cleaning and we'll come back for another status update. Go ahead, Ben. Get the underside. Get the underside of the car.
Okay. I'm trying to get water warm. Fire, fire, it's a fire. Water coming from
Good, Ben?
Yeah.
Ready to lift it again and finish cleaning the top?
Yeah.
So, how did it come out, guys?
Good.
Good. Will's just drying it off, and Ben, you're gonna take it for a test drive?
Yeah, I think. And then I'll do the second test drive.
Oh, you can use your Cozy Coupe.
Yeah.
Did you drive, Ben?
That's
Wait, Ben.
how it's supposed to be done, and
Ben.
how it's not supposed to be done.
Ben's off.
No.
How is it, Ben?
Wait.
Does it look good, Ben?